So next to that challenge of spatial data ingestion and structuring, as well as data management I talked about previously, there is this huge challenge about spatial data integration, which really has to do with interoperability. So again, the status quo is that there's a lot of ways in which spatial data can be served out and at the customer side needs to be ingested. So there's all these preferences as how data needs to be consumed. Data can be consumed in specific software like ArcGIS or QGIS. At the same time, data might be streamed into certain platforms and applications. So you're basically confronted with this huge variety of, again, spatial outputs in formats and ways, but also in consumption and integration preferences on the end user side. And then there is a lot of manual time again to take up that integration part. You can serve out data via OGC protocols that you might have to set up yourself. But then at the same time, you also need to adhere to data needs of other disciplines that want to use specific software. So you may find yourself creating dedicated plugins to also support those workflows. So it's basically this never-ending project of making sure that the valuable spatial analytics that you're sitting on as an organization can really find its way into any downstream workflows and applications. So this is where, again, we help our partners to ensure that interoperability, supporting the new standards that come out as soon as OGC announces a new one, for example. We support multiple plugins from Power BI to Google Earth Engine packages to, basically a lot of those software that's being used often. So all to ensure that spatial outputs as they go, they are consumable for your audience and you don't need to worry about integration work